In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable MCP servers marketplace straight from your VS Code Studio. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So model context protocol, commonly known as MCP, helps you to extend agent mode with extra tools for connecting to a database, invoking APIs, and also performing specialized tasks. To enable this on your Visual Code Studio, go ahead and open your VS Code, and once you're here, head down to extensions, and under extensions you should see MCP servers. If you click on it, we have an option to enable here, so I'll go ahead and enable it. However, you have to note that it is still in experiment mode at the time of recording this. So I'll click on enable, and as you can see, I'm told this feature is currently in preview. You can disable it anytime using settings, and here is the link to disable it. I'll proceed and enable it by just clicking on enable, and you have now access to this marketplace. So that's how you can enable MCP servers marketplace on your VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.